Welcome to this guided meditation. If you are here to remove the stress, you are in the right place and at the right time. Thank you for being here. The relaxation phase helps you to release stress and anxiety, to release any type of pressure. If a disturbing thought comes up during the meditation, say to yourself, I will remember to deal with it after the meditation. This is your chance to release all baggage you carry on. This is the time for your own personal needs. Make sure you are in a comfortable sitting position as recommended for this meditation. Close your eyes and start breathing a little deeper than usual. And with each exhalation, you feel more relaxed. Let the muscles loosen themselves. The facial muscles, the neck, shoulders and hands to the fingertips. Chest and abdomen, and all the internal organs. Hips and legs to the tip of the toes. And all the back muscles. And now, as you begin to sink into a deeper state of relaxation, imagine yourself moving to a positive, energetic place. The Temple Mount in Jerusalem is recommended, which is the energy center of the universe. You can imagine the Western Wall or any other place you feel connected to. Let the positive energy of the place envelop you from all the sides. Allow yourself to feel protected and calm. Look for a moment at the symbol on the screen the symbol through which we will summon the divine energy. Bad emotional experiences in life sometimes accumulates as discomfort sitting in the lungs and the chest area. It is actually unnecessary energy stored in an unbalanced way in the chest as a burden. This symbol acts as a chimney that releases the emotional tension that has accumulated in the chest. Think about a situation that makes you distressed. Feel it oppressive in your chest. Visualize it in your chest as a gray smoke. Now, visualize the symbol inside your chest. Imagine that from the symbol rises an imaginary chimney coming out of the chest and rising upwards. Imagine that the gray smoke rising up the chimney. And visualize the lungs and the chest getting cleaner and cleaner. Eventually, visualize the lungs and the chest in white light, free of distress. If necessary, repeat the process for additional situations in life, and take a long moment and repeat the whole process. Thank the light and imagine going back to the place you are in, and feel that you are back. And again, breathe a little deeper. Feel your hands and legs. Feel that you are back. And open your eyes. Thank you for joining.